In this video, I will show you how to turn on keyboard backlight in your laptop. So let's begin. So if I just press on my keyboard, there have no backlight. How can I turn on keyboard backlight? So if you just check on the top order, every key there have an icon on the right side. Here you can see. So you just need to find out keyboard minus and plus icon. Here you can see this F9 and F10 there have a keyboard icon, that's light also, and minus and plus icon. So these two key is for keyboard backlight. So if you just want to turn keyboard backlight, just press Fn plus F10, continue do this, and here you can see keyboard backlight turn on. Here you can see. If you just want to turn it off, again you just need to press Fn plus F9. If you just press continue, here you can see turn off. If you just want turn on, just Fn plus F10. So guys, in this way you can very easily turn on keyboard backlight. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.